problem with infrastructure, pedestrian walkway in the UN. Okay, here guys, this is an example of photo about our problem. If you look this picture, we can see a walkway is very bad, it's destroyed, and it's very dangerous for students. And so today we want to discuss how we can solve this problem. So our hope today we can settle down this problem, which is we want to solve this with comfort and safety for a student, especially disability student, because we want to less accident from this happen. Okay, so for your all of perspective, you think this problem, what happened this can be, and why this can be. So what do you think?
So I think firstly, this problem can happen is because of road damage. This road damage can one of the problems can happen is because of the unpredictable weather in UN. As we know, in Jeddah, it has season where it rain and does not stop. So the rain can make the initial cracks on the walkways that can be unsafe for the students to use. So road damage is one of the reason why the infrastructure on the pedestrian walkways is unsafe for the student. That's my feeling.
I agree with you, Nanda. But I think the problem in infrastructure pedestrian walkway is because insufficient pedestrian walkways. This problem concern given the student, the number of students, staff, and visitor always use the walking as a primary choice to talk between lecture hall, resident college, and others. So if insufficient pedestrian walkways happen, the pedestrian will be walking at the side of road. It is make a big problem like accident, especially during peak hour and night. I think.
I see your problem too, but I would like to add and to highlight one of the problems, which is the pedestrian walkway entirely not user friendly. As we can see, the pedestrian walkway next to the library is too set and lack of ramp and facility to those who use the wheelchair. And furthermore, there is no have any tactile paving for those who don't. That I see lah.
That's right, Daya. In my opinion about road damage is caused by a lack of regular maintenance by the authorities. This maintenance should be carried out every 6 months. Do so can ensure the safety and comfort of walkway users.
Okay, so
because of poor initial planning on the campus design. This is because on the initial, we can see that pedestrian walkways in UM is is not unsafe, not safe for the students to use often. This is because poor initial initial planning of the campus design is prioritize the vehicles over pedestrians. So it has more access for the vehicles compared to students that need to use the walkways. I think that is why happen because of the infrastructure.
I think based on the problem of road damage is safety affected. So the pedestrian safety can affect by road damage. Because of improper maintenance by authorities. I think it's happened road damage.
I think as a result of institution coverage, walkways, this can encourage students from walking to the class, right?
Yes.
This because it does not offer any protection from them from any weather conditions such as intense sun and heavy raining, right? This will make them feel uncomfortable and get wet. So, most of them more likely to seek another alternative, such as making a sample to the class. Even the class is short distance. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, we have to spend more money to book something, so it's not good for the cash out money
Yeah,
for
student,
student,
right?
right? Yeah. From all of these problems, I think we should to discuss how we want to solve this problem. So guys, I think we have to give a more idea about solution idea.
Of this problem, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So in my opinion, I think the first solution we can make from the problem is conduct regular maintenance and repair. This is because if we conduct regular maintenance, we can use by make schedules on regular inspection, so we can see on what is the problem of the surfaces such as broken and initial cracks that can make potholes that can make unsafety for the students. So
of Nabila. I think it's good idea to make the maintenance because what I see when some authority doing like construction and it done, they're not looking again and again. So like they do and okay done like that. So I think maybe we can what is it? Yeah, we can implement that thing lah. Okay. Okay, from all of your solution, our solution idea, I think we cannot simply doing and choose our solution, right? We have to follow the criteria, some criteria, okay? So why we have to follow the criteria is because we don't want to make a mistake, a big mistake again, okay? So we have 4 criteria in this, which means first, our solution have to cost effective, feasibility, safety and comfort, and our sustainability. Okay. From your idea, what the ideal solution follow this our current criteria?
I think firstly we need to look on the cost effectiveness if we want to apply the solutions to upgrade the infrastructure in pedestrian walkways. Firstly, you need to look on the budget that have to apply the solution.
Yeah.
Which is if we need to apply the solution, we need to look on either the cost is affordable or not to make in a long term. I think that is one of the criteria that we need to look.
Shira, you?
I agree with your criteria, but I think the best criteria in the 3 solution is feasibility, because I refer to verbal solution based on the realistic implements such as cost, time, facility, and others. So feasibility is the best criteria. For example, if the university want to build a building, so the authorities must have a cost, human resource and others. So if all part has been done, so it is allowed to build a building, right?
Yeah.
I think so.
For me, when we discuss about the pedestrian walkway, I think safety is one of the top priorities.
Yeah.
This because it is closely related to well-being of you and residents, especially students who use the road every day. From this, they might not be exposed by certain risks like fall, how about you?
I think the last criteria is sustainability. The construction of safe and eco-friendly pedestrian walkway around the campus can attract more students to walk by using environment-friendly material for installing solar power light. This walkway can reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions. Sustainable pedestrian walkway are more cost-effective, durable, and minimal maintenance. Students can adopt a healthy lifestyle. We will enjoy the naturality of the campus surrounding. The pedestrian patch between Residential College and Lecturer Hall among the most used route by
Okay. I think it's stable from all of criteria. We have solutions and we have criteria. Now, we have to compare all the solution with our criteria. Okay. Okay. First solution: conduct regular maintenance and repair. What do you think about conduct regular maintenance? Why it's good for safety and comfort?
I think for safety on comfort, I think it is important to include safety on comfort in the regular maintenance because if we do the regular inspection on our pedestrian walkways, we need to ensure that we need to ensure that when we do the inspection, we need to be safe and comfort to the students when they want to use the walkways.
I think in the first solution is conduct regular maintenance and repair. I think the best criteria is flexibility because of this is practical and effective to carry out the implement and not use the capital investment, a big capital investment. So, what about you?
Yeah, I agree with you. But in terms of cost, I'm sure that conduct regular maintenance and repair does not require a lot of money. Yeah, to improve just walkway. Yeah, and then because
How about you? For the first solutions, sustainability, conducting regular maintenance and repair is highly sustainable as it focuses on maintaining existing infrastructure. There no need to demolish or rebuild. Instead, we extend the lifespan of the walkway. This reduce material waste and conserve natural resources.
I agree with you. As we see, first solution is follow for our criteria, and we can put the solution beside. Wait, okay. For the next solution, build more cover walkway. Why it's safety comfort facility? Right.
I think when we build more cover walkways, it is can ensure the safety and comfort for the students, and it can make them more encouraged to use the walkways instead of using other alternatives such as carpool. It is also important to make sure the safety and comfort for students so that they can use regularly the walkways.
I think the second solution is build more covered walkways. The facility is possible, but have need to space and time to go cover it. Beside, I think build more coverage is make more benefit to students, staff, and visitors.
yeah, and I guess in terms of cost, more covered walkway might be challenged to provide a big budget to implement this solution. Yeah, okay.
After we compare all the solution, we look build more cover walkway and upgrade material is more spend money to make a solution. So it's not good for cost effective. So I think we can conduct regular maintenance and repair as our main solution. Okay, next, how we want to implement the solution for our solution.
Firstly, I think we need to establish a maintenance schedule. For example, like 3 months once in 3 months, we can make the regular inspection. We can check on the broken tiles, and if we found the problem, we can fix the damage. And so everyone that use the walkways can use it in more comfortable. So it is more safety and make others want to use the walkways often.
And the next action step, I think, from a dedicated maintenance team, like create a responsible maintenance team to monitor it, repair it, and maintain it. So, is going to ensure the pedestrian have get a good facility.
Walk, right?
Yes.
I think the action for my suggestion, we must to implement a reporting system such as call or make some session, some compensation review and application for students to easily report about any maintenance in UUM, especially pedestrian walkway. That's my step.
The next step, allocate budget resources. The university should allocate dedicated annual budget to carry out minor repair and regular maintenance of pedestrian walkways on the campus. This allocation is important to ensure that the safety and comfort of students are always maintained. Replacement materials such as cement, street light, and signboard be prepared in advance.
So yeah, I agree with all of you. Okay, I want to add on your point. Rather than we make some website to order form. What if we make a one Google form? So there is create the Google form. They give a Google form to the WhatsApp group. So it's so easy for students to make a report. Sometimes to open a website is little long time to get it right. Okay, next we jump to the responsible parties. Who responsible parties who implement this project?
I think the parties that should handle the maintenance is student department affairs, which is HEP. They need to lead on when and how to do the inspection, so that every student is alert on when the inspection of the work was happened. Other than that, contracted maintenance service also important to responsible on the solution, because they need to conduct the inspection so that it can make the walkways more safety, so everyone can use the walkways regularly.
I think your suggestion is okay, but my suggestion is student representatives council is the responsible party to conduct maintenance regular maintenance and repair. The roles of student representative council is I think they can hear a voice student to complain and to complain about infrastructure, road damage and others. Other than that, student representative council can collaboration with HEP and contractor in identify the road of damage to improve the infrastructure.
For my suggestions to implement these solutions, it should be carried out every 6 months once, right? But depend on user, especially in area that is frequently used by the student.
Yeah, sure. Alright, we can about responsibility and what action we want to do now. We have to focus the timeline and budget because it's important.